siphelele. I want to say that uyindoda, wherever you are enough and more. I understand ukuthi khona ama challenges akhona, sometimes ubona ngathi ucindezelekile, mhlawumbe ngathi awunayo voice nanani. This initiative is so designed to say you are enough and more. What you need to do is to make sure ukuthi you play your role. Mhlawumbe into engayisho ukuthi to be is to do, and to do is to do it now. Let me repeat, to be is to do, and to do is to do it now. Please, you gotta be there tomorrow mfethu. Ngeke singakunikeza isikhathi sokunikeza yonke indlebe, amaqhinga siwahlanganise empilo, ngeke uzulambe forever and ever sikhona singazana ndawonye. uNkulunkulu udala ukuthi asithandaneni. That's the story. Kama lami uSimo wakanzama, well known as Simo Possibilities. See you tomorrow lapha eRichards Bay. Uyangithola ku social media uSimo wakanzama, and then mhlawumbe mothi Simo Possibilities as in SEEMORE Possibilities uzongithola. Inamba yami ngisab na 084 636 0001 084 636 0001. Asihlanganeni lapha mfethu, kube mnandi siphilisane.